Hi everyone, welcome back to Frontech Online. Today we are unboxing the Frontech portable LED monitor MON-0023. Inside the box you will find the portable monitor itself, a sleek 15.6 inches full HD display, compact, portable and versatile. This monitor adapts to your lifestyle. The 180-degree adjustable stand with rubber padding ensures stable positioning whether you are working at your desk or watching on the go. You will also find the user manual, one Mini HD cable, one Type-C cable, a USB power cable and a power adapter. Everything you need to get started right out of the box. On the left side you will find two USB Type-C ports and a Mini HDMI port for audio and video transmission. On the right side you will see the joystick control, menu and return buttons plus a 3.5mm headphone jack. To connect it with your laptop, plug in the HDMI cable and the Type-C cable with your laptop for audio and visual transmission. The monitor also features built-in 2.0 stereo speakers, a 60Hz refresh rate and a 20 millisecond response speed. It supports HDR, FreeSync and comes with 6 preset display modes, making it perfect for movies, gaming or productivity. To connect it with your phone, plug in the USB power cable in a plug point and connect the Type-C cable with the phone and the monitor. The MON-0023 features a 15.6 inches IPS panel with a 1920x1080 full HD resolution and a 16:9 aspect ratio. The Frontech MON-0023 isn't just a portable monitor, it's a perfect balance of performance, design and convenience. Whether you are gaming, streaming or working, it delivers clarity, versatility and ease in every frame.